Australia, the world's sixth largest country, is a land of striking contrasts and diverse wonders. Located in the southern hemisphere, it occupies its own continent between the Indian and Pacific Oceans. To the north, it neighbors Papua New Guinea, Indonesia, and East Timor, while to the southeast lies New Zealand. Stretching from the tropical rainforests of Queensland in the northeast to the temperate woodlands of Victoria in the south and the arid outback regions of the center, Australia's landscape is as varied as its people. The capital city is Canberra, nestled in the Australian Capital Territory, with major cities including Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, Perth, and Adelaide. These urban hubs line the coasts where most Australians choose to live, drawn by the temperate climate, beautiful beaches, and vibrant city life. Inland, the vast and rugged expanse of the outback beckons with its ancient landforms, red deserts, and unique wildlife. From the lush Daintree rainforest in Queensland, one of the oldest rainforests in the world, to the iconic red monolith of Uluru in the Northern Territory, Australia's geography offers unique experiences and spectacular vistas. No mention of Australia would be complete without its striking flag. The Australian flag combines history and symbolism. In the top left corner sits the Union Jack, reflecting Australia's origins as a British colony. Beneath the Union Jack is the Commonwealth Star, a large seven-pointed white star representing the Federation of Australia and its states and territories. On the flag's right side, 5 white stars form the constellation of the Southern Cross, a navigational fixture in the Southern Hemisphere's night sky, signifying Australia's geographical location. The deep blue background symbolizes the vast ocean that surrounds the nation. Waving atop schools, government buildings, and at sporting events, the Australian flag is an enduring symbol of national pride, unity, and the unique place of Australia in the world. Turning to Australian food, the country's cuisine tells a story of migration, cultural blending, and adaptation to its unique environment. Early European settlers brought traditional British fare, giving rise to enduring delights like meat pies, sausage rolls, lamingtons, and pavlova, a meringue-based dessert named after the famous ballerina Anna Pavlova. Yet, in recent decades, Australia's food scene has blossomed into a dynamic melange, drawing flavors and methods from Asia, the Mediterranean, the Middle East, and beyond. A quintessential Australian dish is the humble barbie, or barbecue, a social staple where friends and families gather outdoors to cook sausages, steak, lamb chops, and seafood over open grills. Freshness and quality of produce shine in Australian cooking, thanks to locally sourced seafood like barramundi, Moreton Bay bugs, and Sydney rock oysters. The coastal waters also give rise to delicious prawns and crabs, making seafood platters a summertime favorite. Australia is also famous for its love affair with Vegemite, a salty, savory spread made from brewer's yeast extract, often slathered on toast for breakfast. Bush foods, or bush tucker, reflect the Indigenous Australians' deep relationship with the land. Ingredients like wattle seed, finger lime, macadamia nuts, and kangaroo meat are making their way into mainstream restaurants, adding an authentic and distinctively Australian flair. Australia's multicultural society has also embraced global flavors. Vibrant Asian markets, Italian pizzerias, and Greek souvlaki stalls can be found in every city. Classic Australian cafe culture thrives with flat white coffees and inventive brunch creations. From sweet treats like Anzac biscuits, originally baked to send to World War I soldiers, to fusion dishes that combine local ingredients with international techniques, Australian cuisine is ever-evolving and deliciously diverse. This remarkable variety reflects the spirit of modern Australia, a nation proud of its unique identity, vast landscapes, and culinary treasures. Thanks for watching, supporting, sharing, and subscribing this Tommins videos.